This is a paid advertisement on behalf of Nord Precious Metals. What's going on, guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and we're here with Frank Basa, President and CEO of Nord Precious Metals. Pleasure to have you back on today, Frank, for an update. It's been a little while. How are you?
I'm wonderful. Thank you very much, Aaron. It's always good to see you. So I'll
Yes.
give you a very quick update here, Aaron. A lot has happened since last time we've talked. We had a very important acquisition. It was a set of claims adjoining our claims, but the real value to this was the multiple mines we acquired. Our old land position had three. Now we have 8 mines. We have over 100,000 feet of workings. We have over 400,000 feet of drilling. And the best part, we have about 2.9 million ounces of silver that fits in quite well with the Ontario Recovery Permit Program. So that's quite significant. Lots of silver, and with the price of silver now, we are going to incorporate that land package, those tailings, into our current recovery permit. And of course, we intend to reprocess the tailings and recover the silver.
Expanding a little bit more on those important acquisitions that you have made. So, why are they so strategic for the company?
Well, the thing is, we are kind of following a model that Agnico Eagle developed. I used to work for Agnico Eagle, where we used to also reprocess the tailings. The tailings is actually the easiest way to make money, the cheapest way to make money, and then we can use that to fund our development of the hard rock, underground, or even the exploration. So we're very fortunate to be able to acquire this asset. We had our own tailings. We could have probably had about 500,000 ounces, but very high grade. These tailings, huge, on surface, adjoining us. There could be part of our larger package of tailings. So we make it a seasonal thing. Hopefully it does well. The province has already issued 2 recovery permits to mines in Northern Ontario. So the process works. Hopefully we were able to achieve the same status as the other mining companies and go in production. So the critical thing here is the tailings, reprocess, try to become cash positive, and then hopefully by doing that, we'll minimize future financings.
Exactly. So, looking ahead to exploration, can you update us on the current drill program and what the main objectives are?
We
We've done a bunch of drilling.
Yeah, we're still drilling. Our program right now, we did the first phase. We went a little above the 3,500 meters. So we're looking at the data right now. We did hit some high grade zones, but it's still early stage. The whole drill program is about 30,000 meters. We might see if we can get 2 drills on the site. We'll be waiting for after breakup. So usually up here in northern Ontario, when the breakup occurs, people don't like to be in the bush. The ground is quite wet. So after breakup, we'll probably get 2 drills, and we might pass the 30,000 meters. We have some very encouraging, what we're looking for structures. And sure enough, the structure showed up. And usually after these structures, then you, of course, you have this high-grade mineralization.
So, over the next few quarters, what are the key milestones or catalysts investors should be watching for? What should we be excited about?
I think the main thing is getting a recovery permit. We started the program on a recovery permit. We held it up because this property came available to us. Now that we got it, it took us 3 months to put the deal together. A lot of these old properties require quite a bit of work to make sure that you're acquiring the asset and then acquiring everything that belongs to you. So that took us 3 months. So we're very happy we got it. And now we retained a global tailing engineering firm, and we're going to proceed with that. And hopefully, with everybody's best efforts, we might be able to get a permit and maybe have a quick run at it this fall, begin commissioning our plant. Originally, we're looking at only doing 600 tons a day, but because of this acquisition happening, we'd be looking at a larger daily tonnage. So a lot of things are still kind of in a state of flux, but it hasn't changed our direction, what we're trying to do. We want to go in production. We want to treat the tailings. And of course, the recovery permit, we're very happy it works.
Awesome, Frank. Well, you've accomplished a lot since we last spoke. I know that I don't even know if you had raised money at the time, but now a lot has changed, and it's going to be an exciting year for you. So best of luck, and we'll have you back on for more updates as they come.
Well, thank you very much, Sharon. Always a pleasure. And have a wonderful day.